Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to disable Google Authenticator on your Amazon account. Now let's begin. Simply go to amazon.com and hit on enter right now. Do note that I've already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. In my previous video, I had added Google Authenticator to my Amazon account. Now I'm trying to remove it. At the very top on the navbar, you'll see a profile right here that says Hello Greg. Simply hover over it and something like this will open up. Let's scroll down to accounts. Right here is account. Under this your account tab, let's click on account right here. Once you're in the account section, well, there are many options. Let's simply go to login and security. It might ask for your password for your confirmation, simply enter it. And once everything's okay, simply click on sign in. Since I had added two-step verification, it's asking me for an OTP. I'm simply gonna enter the OTP right now from the Google Authenticator app. And once everything's okay, let's click on sign in. Now right here, you're in the login and security page. Let's scroll down till we see something like two-step verification. Authenticator app has been enrolled. Let's click on manage. Once this opens up, well, from here you can add a new app as well from this button. But right now we simply want to disable two-step verification, that is for Authenticator app. Let's click on disable right now. It's gonna give you something like this. Simply click on this checkbox right here and let's click on disable. And guys, it's as easy as that. That's how we turn off two-step verification or Google Authenticator in Amazon. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.